Welcome to the 7-Day Stock Market Bootcamp, Day 3, Multiply Money. The 7-Day Stock Market Bootcamp is designed to introduce you to stocks and to build a foundation for investing in the stock market so you become a savvy and confident investor. All of the content published in this training is to be used for education and information purposes only without warranty of any kind. The materials and information in this website are not and should not be construed as an offer to buy and sell any securities named in these materials. Trading of securities may not be suitable for all investors. Both trading stocks and investing in the stock market may have large potential risk involved in which you can lose all of your money. You, the participant, and not Cassandra Cummings or StocksandStilettos.co, are solely responsible for any losses, financial or otherwise, as a result of trading or investing in securities. I may not be your financial advisor, but want to remind you that investments are not FDIC insured, not guaranteed by a bank, and you may lose your principal. Let's take a look at 2 ways you can make money in the stock market. The first is by compound interest, and that's simply when your money makes money. Basically, more money on top of money. The second way is through a dividend, your share in the profits of a company that you own. Companies can be very generous when they are actually making money, and they pay that out in the form of a dividend to all of its shareholders, typically on a regular basis. Compound interest is one way that we can actually grow our money in the stock market over time. Let's take a look at the rule of 72 to help us determine how we can actually grow our money, and it also lets us know how long it will take for our investment to double based on a particular interest rate. The formula is used by taking the number 72 dividing by the interest rate, and that will tell us how long it will take for our money to double. If we were to break that down and take a look at if our money was earning, say, 4%, it will take 18 years approximately for it to double. If our money was earning 6%, we're looking at 12 years, and if it's earning 8%, 9 years, and 12%, 6 years. So at this point, you can see the higher we're able to get in terms of interest or rate of return on our money, the shorter the period is to actually double our money. This is what investing in the stock market can do for your money. The second way is through dividends. So dividends are your share in the profits of a company that you own, and that's usually paid out regularly, either quarterly or annually, and even semi-annually. You must own the shares of a company by what's called the ex-dividend date. If you own the shares by the ex-dividend date, then you are eligible to receive the dividend. And lastly, the dividend yield is the amount a company pays out in dividends each year relative to its share price, usually in the form of a percent. If you're using the Yahoo Finance app, you can take a look at the app to find out where the dividend is located, and then if you scroll through and find key statistics, it will actually give you the ex-dividend date. Again, that's the date you must actually own the shares, and then it will also give you the dividend yield. That's how much the dividend is relative to the share price of a company of shares that you may own. These are very important numbers to see how your money will grow. Day 3 task is to select one of your accounts and use the rule of 72. Use different percents to see how long it will take for your money to double, like 4%, 6%, 12%. And then for the stocks on your watch list, take a look at the app and find the dividend, dividend yield, and ex-dividend date. That's it for day 3. We'll see you tomorrow for day 4. If you want to get all 7 days of the stock boot camp, you can also take a look at the stock starter kit. We have 7 days plus many more lessons. Go to bit.ly/stock-starter-kit. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and join our free Facebook group at bit.ly/Stocks and Stilettos. We're also on Instagram at Stocks and Stilettos. See you there.